Good morning, 6th standard. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is conjunctions. First of all, conjunction is a joining word which joins words or
group of words. Like आप एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं एंड, बट, और, सो, बिकॉज, दो, इफ. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, here is the list given in your slide. These all are known as conjunctions. Okay, these all verbs are used to form a conjunction. So a sentence can become a meaningful sentence. Then a few conjunctions like and, but, or join words or group of words. Other conjunctions always join group of words. Like we use and to connect two similar ideas. Like I had bread and coffee for breakfast. That means he is having the bread as well as the coffee for the breakfast. She has two daughters and a son. She already has two daughters and along with them there is a son. Then he sold his motorbike and bought a car. He sold his motorbike and bought a car in the sense उसने उस चीज को बेचा and उसकी जगह दूसरी चीज को खरीदा. Then next we use or to talk about alternatives. Alternatives means you can say preferences. For example, would you like tea or coffee? So or is a conjunction over here. It is a type of alternative. या तो आप चाय लो या तो आप कॉफी ले सकते हो. I will see him this evening or tomorrow morning. Okay. Again, or is an alternative over here, whether in the evening or the next morning. Then, shall we walk or take a bus? Or is an alternative. We can go from both the things, but or is a choice. Note the use of either or and neither nor. Either or is related to the positive sign and neither nor is related to the negative sign. How? Now let us take an example. I don't like either tea or coffee. That means he is not interested in taking either tea or coffee. Then I like neither tea nor coffee. That means he is not interested or not like any type of tea or coffee. The next, we also use or to mean if not. If not is related to the circumstances. कि अगर ऐसा करोगे तो वैसा नहीं होगा. Okay. Then hurry up or you will be late for school. Now see children, there is a circumstance in this that hurry up or you will be late for school. जल्दी नहीं किया तो स्कूल के लिए लेट हो जाओगे. Then next, wear a sweater or you will catch cold. If you will not wear any type of sweater, you will catch cold. So or is a circumstance. We use but to join two different or opposite ideas. But is used that के वो भले ही बीमार था लेकिन उसने फिर भी अपनी हिम्मत दिखाई. ओके. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, he was ill but cheerful. Okay, but is related to the courage. Okay, कि भाई बीमार होने के बावजूद भी वो इतने अच्छे से cheerful रह सक रहा था. Next, we invited Usha, but she didn't come. Okay. The next, I tried to phone him, but his number was engaged. But is a circumstance, you can say, of opposite ideas. We use yet to mean in spite of that. He worked hard, yet he didn't pass the exam. In spite of that, in the sense कि ज़्यादा कोशिश करने के बावजूद भी रिजल्ट का नहीं आना. Then next, we started late. yet we arrived on time. We also use so to talk about result. Like I got up late, so I missed the first bus. Yes, it's true. So is used कि आपके साथ जो हो रहा है उसके जिम्मेदार आप खुद हो. Like I got up late, so I missed the first bus, right? He didn't study hard, so he failed the exam. If he will not study, then what he is going to do in exam? He will fail, no? We also use so that to talk about a result that is often left out in spoken English. For example, I was so tired that I fell asleep in the chair. I fell asleep in the chair is the result. What was the reason? As because I was so tired. Next, the film was so good that we went to see it again. That was the result. That the film was good, so we went to see it again. He spoke so fast that I couldn't understand him. उसने जल्दी जल्दी बोलना चालू किया तो मेरे समझ में नहीं आया. So it is the result. Understood? Then the following conjunctions are used to talk about time relationships like when, while, whenever, as, before, after, as soon as, till, until, since, etc. Now children, you have to use all these conjunctions in a proper sentence. Okay, so the sentence can become a meaningful sentence. First example, the crowd cheered loudly when the Prime Minister arrived. The crowd suddenly started cheering loudly. When? When is the conjunction over here? When the Prime Minister arrived. The phone rang while I was having a shower. फोन तब बज रहा था जब मैं शावर ले रहा था. While is again a time period. Please come to my house whenever you are free. Again related to the time relationship. Whenever you are free, please come to my house. She waved to me as the train left the station. She waved to me as the train left the station. As is again a conjunction. The train had left before they arrived at the station. Again as related to the time, you can see all these sentences. ट्रेन जा चुकी थी जब वो स्टेशन पे पहुंचे, उसके पहले ही ट्रेन निकल चुकी थी. Ring me up as soon as you arrive. As soon as again is a time relationship. Whenever you go anywhere, as soon as you arrive at that place, you have to ring your relatives. Like that, as soon as again is a time relationship. We waited till it stopped raining. Till यानी जब तक बारिश बंद नहीं हुई हमने wait किया. So again it's a time relationship. Lastly, it is nearly 2 years since we saw him. Since is again a time relationship, but which is accurate. Okay. Then we use where and whenever to talk about a position or place. Where are you going? Where is a place? Okay. So in the same sense, first example, put it back where you found it. You may sit wherever you like. That means again is a choice of place. Then we use so that to talk about purpose. In spoken English, people often use or just say so without that. Like, I am giving you example. I will give you a map so that you can get there easily. It's a help giving, okay? That I am helping the other person by giving him a map so that he could get that map easily. Okay, and he can go to that place. Next, my uncle lifted me onto his shoulders so that I could see over the other people's heads. So that is a reason that why the uncle lifted him, and what was the reason behind that? So he could see the other people's heads. Then children, we can also use in order that, but today it is not used except in a very formal style. To talk about reason, we use because, as, since, etc. Example, she phoned the police because she lost her handbag. Why she called to police? As because she lost her handbag. Because is a conjunction over here. Then, he didn't go to the party as he was ill. He didn't go to party because, or you can say a reason. Okay, as हम use करेंगे यहाँ पे. So, it is a conjunction over here. Last, since I had a lot of work to do at home, I didn't have time to come. Since मेरे पास बहुत सारा काम था, इसलिए मैं टाइम पे नहीं आ सका. ओके, मैं टाइम पे नहीं आ सका क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था. Then next, we use in case to talk about doing something because something else might happen later. In case means because dash 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 might. That means there will be 50% chances for the thing that it will happen or not. Let us take an example. First, take an umbrella in case if it rains. Okay, because it might rain later. Take an umbrella in case it rains. So again, in case is a 50% chances that it will rain. Next, I will leave you my phone number in case you want to contact. Okay, I will leave you my phone number in case you want to contact me. Over here, what is the reason? Because you might want to contact me later. Okay, अगर आपको आज ज़रूरत है तो आप भले आज सेव कर लो नंबर. Okay. If is used to say that one thing will or might happen. Depending on another thing happening, we can also use unless or if not. Like first example, if it rains, we will postpone our trip. If is a, again you can say a 50% chance. It is not for sure that it will going to happen or not. Okay. Next, we will be late if we don't hurry. Again, if is a possibility that might be going to happen in future or not. We will be late unless we hurry. Last, don't wake me up unless it is really necessary. Unless is again a same thing that it will might happen or not. Next, as if, and as though answer the question how. Do as I tell you. I will guide you. Do as I tell you. That means you have to work according to my instructions. As is a how. Then he looked as if, as though he hadn't slept well. वो ऐसा दिख रहा है जैसे तो उसने अच्छी नींद की ही नहीं. ओके, वो अच्छे से सोया ही नहीं, ऐसा वो प्रतीत हो रहा है. Lastly, she felt as if or as though she had fever. Next, when we want to contrast two statements, we use though, although, even though and even if. Even though is stronger than though or although. And even if means whether or not. Now let us take an example. First, they went out though it was raining. Though is a contrast statement. Okay, contrast statement को join करने के लिए यहाँ पे काम आ रहा है. Next, although it is hard work, I enjoy the job. Although again is a conjunction over here. Next, even though I didn't know anybody at the party, I had a nice time. Even though that means कि हालांकि मुझे किसी के बारे में भी कुछ नहीं पता था. I was not knowing anybody, but then also I had a nice time. Lastly, even if you take a taxi, you will still miss your train. Even if यानी कि अगर आप टैक्सी ले भी लेते हो तब भी आप स्टेशन पहुंचने के लिए लेट हो जाओगे. Okay. Now lastly, we use as and then to talk about comparison or degree. Like you have already studied in adjectives also. Okay, this type of sentence. She is not as clever as she appears to be. As is again a comparison of degree. Okay, which is used to form a sentence. Next, the hotel was not as good as we expected. As is a conjunction over here. Lastly, he is older than I thought. Than is a conjunction. Okay. And lastly, as you must have seen, some conjunctions, example as and since, can be used in more than one sense. So children, hope you people have understood this chapter and you will do the exercise which I will be sending you later on. Thank you.